Today we're showing you a 2012 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a two-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 512 front loader. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it, 65 horsepower. It's a very nice clean little tractor. Has the 6-foot heavy-duty quick attach front bucket on it here. It's a John Deere style connection. Front grill guard with the mesh screen is there. Paint is in nice shape on the tractor and loader. Tires are good. Was serviced February 1 of 2019. Foldable rollover bar. Back tires barely show any wear at all. Has a 3-point hitch, drawbar, top link, everything's there. It's got the rear hydraulic SCB outlet, stabilizer chains, rear work light, toolbox in the fender. Has the 9x3 transmission. You get 3 ranges in the left here, 3 gears, and reversed on the right. Give you a total of 9 forward speeds. 3-point and hydraulic control levers here to the right. PTO here to the left. Foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal down below. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.